How do California building codes manage earthquake safety? California quirks. Imagine living in a state where shaking is just part of the daily routine. That's California for you, especially when it comes to earthquakes. The state's location on the San Andreas Fault makes it a hotspot for seismic activity. To keep people safe, California has some of the strictest building rules in the country. These rules are not just suggestions, they are carefully crafted laws that get updated every 3 years. The California Building Standards Commission leads this effort, making sure the codes stay current with the latest safety tech and practices. The main goal of these codes is to protect lives during an earthquake. Buildings are designed to stand up to shaking without collapsing. They focus on preventing injuries and making sure people can get out safely. While some damage might happen, the idea is to keep the structure from falling apart completely. This way, people can evacuate and emergency crews can come in without too much trouble. California divides the state into different seismic zones based on how risky each area is. Places like San Francisco and Los Angeles are in zones with the highest risk. That means stricter rules apply there. Buildings in these zones must have reinforced foundations, which are made stronger to resist shaking. They also need special bracing systems and advanced anchoring to keep everything in place. Older buildings are not left out. The state requires retrofitting for certain vulnerable structures, especially those with soft stories. Soft story buildings are usually wood-frame structures with open parking spaces on the ground floor. These are more likely to collapse during a quake. Retrofitting involves adding steel braces or reinforcing walls to make them safer. It's a big project that can cost thousands of dollars but is essential for safety. When older buildings are renovated, they often need to pass seismic assessments. These evaluations check how well the building can handle shaking. If it doesn't meet current standards, upgrades are necessary. This might mean adding new reinforcement or strengthening existing parts. These assessments help prevent future disasters and save lives. In practice, these codes influence both new construction and repairs. Homeowners in older houses might be asked to add reinforced cripple walls, which are short walls that support the house. Cities like San Francisco and Oakland have their own local rules that build on state laws, reflecting their unique seismic risks. Some might think these rules are a bit over the top, but considering California's history of earthquakes, they are vital. These laws are designed to keep people safe and protect property. They show how the state takes a proactive approach to managing its seismic challenges. While they may seem quirky or burdensome to some, they are a smart way to reduce damage and save lives in a region where shaking is a regular concern.